Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off auto brightness in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to turn off your auto brightness, let's see how can you easily do that. You have to simply open your settings app here and very first go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates to avoid any kind of issues. After that, go back from here and select accessibility option, and here select display and text size, and under display and text size you'll get the option of auto brightness. If you find it enabled, you have to simply disable that to disable auto brightness in your iPhone. So once you have that, your auto brightness will be automatically disabled. Or if you can't find the option, you have to search for auto brightness here, and you will get the option like that. So you can easily disable that or enable that if you want. So in this way you can easily turn off or disable your auto brightness in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.